Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing centralized log management, whether for security monitoring, system troubleshooting, or compliance auditing. Centralized log collection and analysis is an indispensable part of modern enterprise IT management. Especially today, with frequent security incidents, logs scattered across various servers and network devices, without consolidation, are like a surveillance system without cameras, difficult to trace the cause afterward. Today, I'll give you a quick overview of several common log server solutions for 2025 and analyze their applicability to enterprises of different sizes from three perspectives: cost, maintainability, and security. If you're an IT professional looking for free or low-cost startup solutions, or a decision-maker evaluating a centralized log architecture, I hope today's sharing will provide you with some clear ideas. First, let's introduce Windows Event Forwarding, Microsoft's built-in log forwarding mechanism. It requires no additional licensing fees, making it very cost-effective for medium to large enterprises. You only need to set up a subscription on Windows Server to centrally collect event logs from all Windows computers within your domain. For enterprises already using Active Directory, integration is low barrier and initial deployment is quick. However, its main challenge lies in maintainability, because it heavily relies on AD and group policy. Subsequent adjustments and troubleshooting can be complex if the environment already has complex group policies or cross-network segment settings. Furthermore, it primarily focuses on Windows events, offering weaker support for non-Windows devices and requiring additional tools. Next is Synology NAS's built-in log center. Many enterprises already use NAS for file storage, and enabling logging is simply a matter of installing it from the package center, with intuitive configuration. However, it has a key limitation: collecting logs from non-Synology devices typically requires installing an agent on the target host. This raises two issues. Security teams may have concerns about agent permissions and network behavior. Deploying and updating the agent on each host increases the management burden. Therefore, while NAS solutions are user-friendly and easy to use, they are more suitable for small and medium-sized enterprises that already have a Synology environment and can accept agent deployment. KIWI Syslog Server is a well-established and stable syslog collection tool. It offers a free version that supports up to 5 devices. This is a very easy option to start for small companies or departmental applications. It is typically installed on the Windows platform, making it user-friendly for Windows administrators and relatively less problematic in terms of security. The downsides are that the free version has a device limit, expansion requires payment, and its functionality is more focused on basic collection, with weaker visualization and alerting features. ManageEngine EventLog Analyzer is also suitable for small and medium-sized enterprises. The free version also supports 5 hosts. It has a significant advantage: for Windows systems, it can directly read events through Windows Remote Management without installing an agent, reducing deployment complexity and security concerns. The user interface is intuitive, and it has many built-in compliance reports, making it user-friendly for teams that need to quickly implement auditing requirements. Of course, if more hosts need to be monitored or advanced features are required, a smooth upgrade to the paid version is possible. If enterprises require more powerful monitoring and log analysis capabilities, they can consider Librenms or graylog. Librenms, open source and free, excels in network device monitoring and can also receive logs via Syslog, making it suitable for teams with existing Linux maintenance capabilities who want to integrate monitoring and logging. Graylog, on the other hand, is a heavyweight open-source solution in the log management field, offering comprehensive search, filtering, and alerting functions, supporting multiple input sources, and boasting strong scalability. However, both require a high level of maintenance expertise, installation in a Linux environment, configuration adjustments, and potential optimization of databases and caches are necessary. Furthermore, without commercial support, open-source software requires self-repair or reliance on the community to resolve issues. Security is also crucial. These services typically expose network ports, necessitating proper firewall and access control configuration. If you are in a medium to large enterprise with an existing Active Directory (AD) environment and want to centralize Windows logs at a low cost, Windows Event Forwarding is a worthwhile option to consider, but be prepared for subsequent maintenance complexity. If your enterprise already has a Synology NAS, you can consider using Log Center for a quick start, but you need to assess the security and management costs of agent deployment. For small companies, the free versions of KIWI Syslog or ManageEngine EventLog Analyzer are excellent starting tools, especially ManageEngine, which requires no agent and is Windows-friendly. If the team has technical capabilities and needs to expand functionality in the future, consider Librenms or graylog. They offer high flexibility, but require time investment in maintenance and robust security settings. Finally, almost all of these solutions offer paid upgrade paths, allowing businesses to smoothly transition to the commercial version if they require further support, more features, or more licenses.